Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Glare Fusion modern Bauhaus glass LED pendant light. It's on the market, available with the light body color red, green, pink, orange, beige, or black, and the glass finish in green, orange, white, and light green. Size of it can be possible diameter 25 or 35 nanometer and height 18 centimeters or 22. So you can choose what you prefer. We transform our space with Bauhaus-inspired lighting. Glare Fusion's pendant lights are designed to solve common lighting frustrations through the iconic aesthetics, ambient flexibility, and effortless installation. You can find versatile light for dining rooms, bedrooms, and living areas. Here we are, annoyed by a complicated installation and harsh, unadjustable lights. Oh, here we are, tired of bulky fixtures that clash with our decor. Here we are, we have a solution for that, props. Because we have here the Glare Fusion 4-point solutions. Iconic by Bauhaus design. Geometric frosted glass paired with a matted metal finish. Available in black or modern tones, ideal for Scandinavian industrial or minimalist interiors. And smart ambient lighting. The built-in 3000K warm LED, the bulb should be included. This dimmable functionality for perfect mood lighting during the meals or evening relaxation. And effortless flexibility, because 1.5 meter adjustable cord. This is either for both high ceiling and low hanging installations. We choose from two sizes: compact with 25 cm for the kitchen statements, 35 cm for the dining areas. And easy installation steps means you have two lines there. And these two lines you have to attach each other with the lamps line. Then you have to get the hub into position on the ceiling. After this, you are going to adjust the height of the lamp, of course. After this, you can install it to the ceiling, and then the bottom part has to be installed. Plug in the G9 light source and the big bulb on top, job's done. When exploring this orange of lighting fixtures, it's essential to understand various features. Not all products will have the same capabilities, of course. Always refer to the description section for specific features, such as dimmability or color changing options, because not all of them out there, the lamps, can handle this. Okay, take care. For example, you have a dimmable versions. This version comes equipped with the remote control, allowing us to adjust both the brightness and the color temperature of the light. And of course, these fixtures are not compatible with the traditional dimmer switches, for example. And we have 3 color changing version, for example, because this is then the possibility of a remote control with the special bulb. Here comes the color temperature. Color temperature measured in Kelvin K indicates the hue of the light emitted by a thought or influence in ambience and mood of a space. Here's simply a breakdown. Warm white is 3000 up to 35. Neutral light is 4500 to 5000 K, and cool white is 6000 to 6500. Each color temperature serves a distinct purpose and is significantly influenced the functionality and essential of our rooms. Here it comes. This is a Bauhaus style. That means here it comes with an LED, and this LED is placed underneath with a big bulb to make a good illumination of the room. It can be dimmed, but it should not have to be dimmed, because I installed my own G8 socket light source, because in the box there was no of it. So take care. but you can handle this, no problem. Because here it comes, the glare of using modern Bauhaus glass LED panel light. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Zun zun!